This is the oil separator OX, which in combination with an ultrasonic bath can separate floating oils from the cleaning process. The oil is collected in the overflow pocket and transported to the oil separator in a hose line. The coalescer plates installed there effectively separate the oil from the water so that the treated solution can be fed back into the ultrasonic bath. The oil separator also serves as a buffer tank so that the system can be operated over a longer period of time without an employee having to top up the liquid. The advantage of separating oil from the bath fluid is that water changes are reduced, thus minimizing water, cleaning agents and disposal costs. And recontamination of the parts when lifting them out of the ultrasonic bath is also avoided. The separated oil can be discharged via a separate outlet and then disposed of.
More than clean, Bandelin.